And today we saw clouds much of the day, though those cleared out just in time for the sunset. But I do expect those clouds to move back in here tonight. Temperatures getting down about 65 degrees through the overnight hours. The other thing I'm going to be watching for you is a little bit of patchy fog through the overnight. Most of that appears to be, though, down into Collier County, Bonita Springs, Naples, Marco Island, seeing the worst of it. Then clears out right around 7 o'clock in the morning. So be very early in the morning. Sun comes up, should burn it right off. But really, through the day on Thursday, we are looking at partly sunny skies. Temperatures getting up to about 79 degrees. Fort Myers, not a bad day. 80 there in Immokalee, Lewiston, Moorhaven, down in Marco Island, Everglades City, about 78. How about 76 there in Arcadia? But you get into the overnight hours, I do expect a chance for maybe a shower and thunderstorm here. Let's time it all out for you here. So 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, not too bad. Partly cloudy skies. It's pretty much what we're going to see through the day there. And then you get to 5 o'clock, there's a chance for maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm here moving through Punta Gorda. And you can see we're over the night, so we could see a couple of showers and storm chances as we get in towards your Friday morning. There's 6 o'clock Friday morning, so another chance of some showers and storms. This is going to be all out ahead of the cold front. That's not going to be moving through until you get into about midday, and then that cold front pushes on through, and that's what's going to usher in that cold air that we are expecting for this holiday weekend. And that time that's out for you here. So you're looking at 11 o'clock here Friday morning. Temperatures getting up into the upper 70s, but here's the key. That's going to be your peak temperatures for the day. The front moves on through, and we're going to cool things down through the day here. Here's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're down into the 60s. Continuing to cool down into the 9 o'clock hour, 40s, 50s out there, and that continues to drop through the overnight hours. This is our in-house model showing us some of the coldest temperatures of our weather models here, but just kind of gives you a good sense of that cooling trend that we are expecting through the day there on your Friday. And Friday is also going to be a breezy day. Up along that front itself, here's 1 o'clock, gusts up towards about 25, 30. Now, once that front pushes on through, the winds will relax a little bit, but still expected to be out of the north, gusting about 20 miles an hour through the overnight hours in towards your Saturday morning, and that means we're going to be watching wind chills, especially with that colder air moving on in. Let's take a look at that particularly here. This again, our in-house model, and showing us at 10 o'clock Friday night, feeling like 41 degrees there at Punta Gorda at 10 o'clock, and then dropping for those feels like temperatures into the 20s possibly on Saturday morning. So again, this is one of the colder solutions, but gives you a sense of where things are headed this weekend. And take a look at this is the actual forecast. I'm going 39 degrees on Christmas Eve morning, getting up to about 54, and then Christmas morning, 37 degrees, only a high there of 52. So again, this is the coldest Christmas it's expected since 1995. So a number of years ago, 18 degrees, in fact, below normal temperatures expected. Now, this is going to be really just Saturday, Sunday that will start to warm things up back in the 60s starting Monday, Tuesday, and then 70s in the forecast on Wednesday.